Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a financial rut? Are you ready to break free from outdated money rules that may be holding you back in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance to debunk 8 common money myths that you should stop following right now. From paying off debt to investing for the future, we'll explore why these rules might not be as beneficial as they seem. So, buckle up and get ready to revolutionize your approach to money management. Number 1. When paying off debt, start with your highest interest rate first. Are you struggling to dig yourself out of a mountain of debt? Conventional wisdom dictates that you should prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. But is this strategy really the most effective way to become debt-free? Let's examine whether focusing solely on interest rates could be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. By questioning the traditional approach to debt repayment, we can uncover alternative strategies that may better suit your individual circumstances. So, before you make another payment, it's time to rethink your debt payoff strategy and explore new avenues for financial freedom. Let's break down the barriers that stand between you and a debt-free future. Number 2. Have 6 months of savings in your emergency fund. Is having a 6-month emergency fund truly essential for financial security? While traditional advice advocates for stashing away half a year's worth of expenses, this rule may not be one-size-fits-all. In today's unpredictable economy, unexpected expenses and job instability can arise at any moment. However, locking away such a significant amount of cash might not always be the most prudent choice. Let's reevaluate the necessity of adhering strictly to the 6-month rule and consider alternative approaches to preparing for life's curveballs. By reassessing our emergency fund strategy, we can strike a balance between financial preparedness and optimizing our resources for long-term growth. So, before you squirrel away another penny, let's rethink the role of the emergency fund in your financial plan. Number 3. Max out your 401k contributions. Is maxing out your 401k contributions the golden ticket to retirement bliss? While socking away as much as possible for retirement seems like a wise move, blindly adhering to this rule may not be the best strategy for everyone. With fluctuating economic conditions and changing priorities, funneling all your savings into a 401k might not align with your individual financial goals. Let's reconsider the notion that more is always better and explore alternative avenues for retirement planning. By diversifying your investment strategy and considering other retirement vehicles, you can tailor a plan that better suits your needs and aspirations. So before you funnel every last dollar into your 401k, let's pause and rethink your approach to building a secure retirement nest egg. Number 4. Set it and forget it for retirement planning. Is the set it and forget it approach the best way to secure your retirement future? While automating your retirement savings may sound like a hassle-free solution, this hands-off mentality might not be as foolproof as it seems. In today's rapidly changing financial landscape, a stagnant retirement plan could leave you ill-prepared for unexpected market shifts or evolving life circumstances. Let's challenge the idea that passive investing is always the optimal strategy and consider the benefits of staying actively engaged in your retirement planning. By regularly reassessing your goals, adjusting your portfolio, and staying informed about market trends, you can ensure that your retirement plan remains robust and adaptable to whatever the future holds. So, before you set it and forget it, let's reevaluate your approach to retirement planning for long-term success. Number 5. Buying a home is better than renting. Is homeownership always the superior choice over renting? The traditional belief that buying a home is a sound investment may not hold true for everyone in today's dynamic housing market. While owning property offers potential benefits like equity buildup and stability, renting provides flexibility and freedom from maintenance responsibilities. Rising home prices and changing lifestyles have shifted the equation, making renting a viable option for many. Let's challenge the notion that homeownership is inherently superior and explore the factors that influence this decision. By weighing the financial implications, lifestyle preferences, and long-term goals, individuals can make informed choices that align with their unique circumstances. Whether it's renting for flexibility or buying for stability, the key is to evaluate the pros and cons to determine the best path to housing satisfaction and financial well-being. Number 6. The 50-30-20 rule. Is the 50-30-20 rule the ultimate budgeting solution for everyone? This widely advocated budgeting principle suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. However, in today's diverse financial landscape, this rigid framework may not suit everyone's circumstances and objectives. Rising living costs and evolving financial priorities necessitate a more personalized budgeting approach. Let's challenge the assumption that a one-size-fits-all budgeting strategy is sufficient and explore alternative methods for managing finances effectively. By tailoring your budget to reflect your individual needs and goals, you can gain better control over your financial future. Whether it's adjusting the percentages or incorporating additional categories, customization allows for greater flexibility and empowerment in managing your finances. Number 7. You need a lot of money to start investing. Is investing only for the affluent? The misconception that substantial wealth is a prerequisite for entering the world of investments persists, but it couldn't be further from the truth. In today's digital age, a plethora of low-cost investment options and platforms have democratized access to financial markets. Whether you have a little or a lot to spare, there are avenues available to kickstart your investment journey. Let's debunk the myth that investing requires vast sums of money and explore how even modest contributions can yield significant returns over time. By harnessing the power of compounding and starting small, you can lay the foundation for long-term wealth accumulation and financial security, regardless of your initial investment size. Number 8. Paying down debt should be your top financial goal. Is prioritizing debt repayment above all else the best approach to financial freedom? While reducing debt is undoubtedly important, making it the sole focus of your financial strategy may not always be the most advantageous. In today's complex financial landscape, striking a balance between debt repayment and other financial goals is essential. By solely fixating on debt, you may miss out on opportunities for wealth accumulation and asset growth. Let's challenge the notion that paying down debt should always take precedence and explore alternative strategies for achieving financial stability. By adopting a holistic approach to money management that considers both debt reduction and wealth building, you can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. So, before you devote all your resources to debt repayment, it's time to reassess your financial priorities and create a comprehensive plan that aligns with your long-term objectives. It's time to break free from the shackles of outdated money rules and pave your own path to financial success. By challenging conventional wisdom and embracing innovative strategies, you can achieve your financial goals with confidence and clarity. So, seize the opportunity to revolutionize your approach to money management and embark on a journey toward a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy saving and investing.